How to remove a nickname on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a name in brackets on your Facebook profile. So this can be useful if you need to remove a maiden name or anything like this where it says YouTuber on my name, you can remove from your name on Facebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with removing a nickname or a name in brackets on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then navigate to your profile, and I'm just going to do that by selecting my profile image to the left of what's on your mind. Once you get here, select Edit Profile to the right of Add to Story, and then in Edit Profile, scroll down all the way to the bottom and select Edit Your About Info. So from here, scroll down until you get to Other Names, find your nickname under your Other Names and select the pencil next to it, and then select Delete Name. Confirm you want to delete this nickname by selecting OK. Give it a second to delete it, and now when we go back, reload your profile by dragging it down. You may not see it at first, so I recommend closing Facebook, opening it back up, and then when we go back to our profile, the nickname or name in brackets will be deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.